Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we'll see the differences between antemortem and postmortem wounds. An antemortem wound is a wound that has occurred while the person is still alive. Postmortem wound is the opposite of antemortem wound, that is, a postmortem wound is a wound that occurs after a person has died. This picture shows a postmortem wound. Now let us see about the differences between antemortem wound and postmortem wound. In case of antemortem wound, the edges are swollen, everted, retracted, and the wound gapes. Whereas in case of postmortem wound, the edges do not gape but are closely approximated. The hemorrhage in case of antemortem wound will be abundant and the bleeding will usually be of arterial origin. The hemorrhage in case of postmortem wound will be less and it will be venous bleeding usually. Signs of spurting of arterial blood on the body, clothing or in its vicinity will be present in case of antemortem wound, whereas there will be no signs of spurting in case of postmortem wound. Staining of edges of wound and extravasation in neighboring subcutaneous and interstitial tissues which cannot be removed by washing is a characteristic feature of antemortem wound, whereas in case of postmortem wound, the edges and cellular tissues are not deeply stained. In case of antemortem wound, there will be firmly coagulated blood in wounds and tissues, whereas clotting will be absent in case of postmortem wound. Signs of vital reaction will be present in case of antemortem wound, that is, there will be signs of inflammation and repair, whereas in case of postmortem wound, vital reaction will be absent. Coming to enzyme histochemistry, there will be increased activity of ATP, aminopeptidase, acid and alkaline phosphatase in case of antemortem wound, whereas these enzymes will be absent in case of postmortem wound. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my forensic medicine playlist. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.